Hi, I'm Therese. I work with floor plans every day, and over time I picked up on a lot of tips that make the whole process easier. One question I hear all the time is, what's the easiest way to create professional floor plans? And honestly, I'm not biased when I say with RoomSketcher it's really simple. Today I'll walk you through the whole process from that very first click to a polished floor plan and show you how easy it is to create something that looks professional even if you've never done it before. Let's start with the basics. You don't need a powerful computer or some complicated setup to use RoomSketcher. Whether you're on a desktop, laptop or tablet, just download the app, log in, and you're good to go. There are actually 5 different ways to create a floor plan, so you can choose whatever fits your workflow best. You can draw from scratch, scan a room with your iPhone or iPad, order a floor plan, trace over a blueprint, or use AI to convert a digital plan into an editable project. If you decide to draw from scratch, it's super simple. You just click and drag to place the walls, and the software snaps everything into place for you. It even calculates the wall lengths and area as you go, so you're not stuck doing math in your head or digging out that old calculator. There's no need for any design background or CAD training. The layout is clean and beginner-friendly, so even if it's your first time using floor plan software, you feel right at home. And if you make a mistake, don't stress. It's easy to adjust, undo, or try something else as you go. One of the biggest time savers for me is how RoomSketcher handles measurements. Before, when I was doing floor plans manually, I'd spent hours measuring, remeasuring, and starting over if even one wall was slightly off. It was frustrating and really easy to mess things up. Now, the dimensions and area just show up as I draw. It saves a ton of back and forth and takes one more thing off my plate. You can work in feet and inches or metric, and it's really easy to switch between units. That's been super helpful for personal projects or if you're working with international clients. Here's where it gets really fun. Once your layout is drawn, you can see it in 2D or switch to 3D for more realistic view. And if you really want to get a sense of the space, you can open it in live 3D and literally walk through your design like you're already standing in it. This part always impresses clients. Flat 2D drawings just don't show how a space will feel, but the 3D walkthrough gives instant clarity. You can also create 3D snapshots, 360 views, or even full presentation images. They look polished and professional, whether you're showing a client, pitching a renovation idea, or creating a listing. A huge time saver is that you don't have to build everything from scratch. RoomSketcher has a huge built-in library of furniture, materials, and finishes. We're talking thousands of items you can just drag and drop into your design. Chairs, tables, windows, flooring, kitchen cabinets, it's all there and super easy to work with. And if you want to keep things consistent, you can save your favorite items and materials. There's even an option to add your own logo and branding if you're doing this professionally, so every project stays on brand and looks polished. One of the reasons I recommend RoomSketcher so often is that it's actually affordable. You don't need CAD experience or expensive software licenses. Just download and start drawing. If you're working on a personal project or just want to test things out, the free version gives you access to the basics. And if you end up needing more, like high-resolution floor plans, a bigger furniture library, or 3D walkthroughs, upgrading is simple and totally worth it. It's a solid option whether you're doing this professionally or just want your designs to look professional. Now you know the basics, and you're hopefully ready to create your own professional-looking floor plans. If you want to give it a try, I've added a link below so you can get started for free. And if you enjoy the walkthrough, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy designing!